Hello YouTube, Stout79 is back finally on this Thursday, November 11th. This one's coming from Research Triangle region, North Carolina. And shall see what's inside. Definitely some photos. Okay. Oh man. My memory is blank right now on this guy. Sent to the Carolina Hurricanes. Number 35. Can't remember who he is, but he played for the Wild. There's 2 of 2. Played for the Bruins. And I believe this is the minor team, his rookie year or so. And he was number 30 on that team. So if you guys know, leave a comment below. If not, I'm going to check it out on their website. So, but that's it. 3 for 3 from mystery goaltender from the Carolina Hurricanes. Alright, so have a good day, YouTube. Hopefully see you back tomorrow. If not, have a nice weekend.